So this is another, I would say it's a contact move. It is a gut punch. So what's going to happen is, who is our victim? Who's our attacker here?
I'm attacker.
Awesome. Okay, our attacker is going to approach our victim and grab them on with their dominant hand on their shoulder in order to pull them down. Oops, sorry, non-dominant hand. It should be your other hand because you punch with your dominant hand. Yeah, you should punch with your dominant hand. So it's going to be your non-dominant hand grabbing the shoulder. That dominant hand is going to punch into their gut. It is really important that they stop about an inch from where their stomach actually is. So go ahead and demonstrate that. Good. All right. From there, that is pretty much all the attacker does. It's a pretty easy attacking move. Victim, on the other hand, it does a few things. They need to allow their upper body to come down when it is being pulled down by the shoulder. They need to concave into kind of a C form. So that means sucking their stomach in, curving their back into a C form. And that allows that kind of empty space for the punch to look like it connected even though it didn't. And it also makes it look like the wind has been knocked out of them. They also need to act then like the wind has been knocked out of them as they stumble backwards and grab their stomach. All right, so nice and slow. Oh, and also, what is your motion to show you're about to fake punch them? So you're, yep, pulling that arm back. Okay. So let's go ahead and nice and slow-mo demonstrate what this would look like. Excellent job. Good. And let's try that one more time a little faster and just aim a little lower on his stomach. All right, here we go. Excellent job. And as you saw, she added that stomp in for that sound effect. So it can be the victim or the attacker. Typically it's the attacker though, again, because it just makes more sense from an aggressive standpoint and you get that nice loud sound. So great job.